Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can set a due date for tasks within your spaces on Workona. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the Workona browser extension, for instance on Google Chrome or any other web browser, and you may access the list of your tasks for an entire account by clicking into that task button on the left panel, or alternatively simply navigate to one of your spaces. Click into the tasks tab here and go through a list of tasks assigned to the given space. And then guys, hover your mouse over the given task and click into that calendar icon here, set due date. Select it day. Let me go with, for example, January 13th. Select the time of the day at the bottom. Let me go with 4:30 in the afternoon or 4:30 p.m. Click off, and that is going to save the due date. As you can see, if you hover your mouse over the date, you may of course edit it anytime by clicking into that calendar icon again. That's it guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.